Thank you very much, very kindly. My dear Andrew Bridgen, make the ticket, organizers, my fellow citizens of the United Kingdom, freedom fighters, ladies and gentlemen, I am
bacteria such as Escherichia coli.
For the last 3.5 years, we have faced great challenges and controversy across the world, which affected 8 billion people. To keep safeguarding humanity for the justice and truth. 35 years of qualified doctors, and I always abide by my medical ethics, the Hippocratic Oath, which says first do no harm. The Nuremberg Code, which reminds us of Nazi's atrocity without informed consent to the patient. But unfortunately, these medical ethics have been seriously violated for the last 3.5 years, and people have been jabbed without having an informed consent. And treatment. Especially, we have lost millions of cancer patients who could have been saved. Hundreds and thousands of elderly patients died in the nursing home, not because of COVID, but because of neglect, loss of medical care, dehydration, isolation, and the fear created by the mainstream media and the government.